Little Wriggler, play and learn.
Are you ready to wash your hands now?
Yeah, I'm ready, Dada.
Yeah, now do you want to roll up your sleeves, pull up your sleeves, both your sleeves?
Remember to wash your hands.
We do first. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to rinse our hands first, right? Get them wet. Then we're going to get some soap. Then we're going to wash our hands, not putting it under the water, okay? And then we're going to rinse our hands again, shake them off, turn off the water, and then we're going to dry them. Do you understand? I got it? Okay, so hands rolled up. Now,
Count to 20 and leave. Count to 20 and leave.
shake off your hands.
Cover your cough and then wash your hands. And always count to 20 at least. Bring it on, sing along to the hand washing song. Remember to clean your nails. Remember to clean your nails every day before you eat your meal. Remember to clean your nails. Remember to wash them all around. Remember to wash them all around. Remember to wash both tops and bottoms. Now your hands are clean.
Okay, you all dry?
No,
You all dry? No.
I'm making cookies.
Today we're going to do Afghan biscuits, okay?
Cookies.
What ingredients do we need?
Flour.
Some flour, that's right.
Flakes.
Some corn flakes.
Sugar.
Some sugar, yes.
Butter.
Butter. And finally, do you know what this is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Brownie.
Brownie? It's cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Yeah, it's what makes things chocolate tasting.
This is the spoon for the flour.
That's the spoon for the flour. Now, has it all gone in?
It's all gone now.
It's all gone down. Now we're going to crush the cornflakes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this.
So we have to sieve the cocoa powder.
In here.
We are going to mix the sugar and the butter together. So can you put the sugar into the bowl? The butter in. Okay.
There's no more butter left.
So what do we do now?
Now let's put the cornflakes.
Oh, not yet. We first have to cream the butter and sugar together. Now, can you mix in the flour and the cocoa? And you put 1 spoon. Yes.
So we're going to just lift this up gently and pour it into the mixing bowl. Okay, I'm going to just hold it because it's glass. I'm going to help you. So there we go, just all in. Yay, all the way, all the way, all the way. Perfect. Well done. Just going to drop this down. Can you see? Back in.
I have to mix it in spoon.
Right, what's going on in there? Is it looking good, Ollie?
Yeah. That's so more.
It's all stuff.
Beef burger.
It does look a bit like beef burger.
Okay.
You want to do it? You push it in. Push it in.
What?
Scrape it.
You have to keep your sneezing
do. So here's what we do. We put it in here. Okay.
Your fingers don't get that.
And does that look like a walnut? I think it does.
It's a ball.
Yeah. Then we're going to put it there. Now, do you want to do one?
Yes.
Okay. Now pick it up and do what I did. Over the bowl. Roll it into a ball. Now, do you want to put it on the tray? Not too close. So, look, we need this to be like that. No, that's enough. Hold it with your hands. Over the bowl so you don't drop anything. Uh-oh. I'll tell you what that looks like. Is it? There. Now, we can do
That
the
makes four.
Want to do another one?
Yeah.
Now, put that one there. Yeah. No. Where should it go? There. Put it down. No. All right. Done.
No more.
Okay, look. You're going to do it like this. Okay, look, watch this. Just push it down like that.
Hey, now what?
Okay, well, push it down. Okay, do you want to put them in the oven?
Yes.
All right.
I will give it to you.
All right, can you hold them? Okay, bring them over. Come on, bring them over. And up we go. All right. Oh, let's have a look. Look at that. They're gonna be yummy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. High five.
I want to see again.
You like me? Are you?